Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset an Anker power bank. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so resetting your Anker power bank can often resolve issues like inconsistent charging, unresponsive buttons, or LED indicators not functioning correctly. So there's a couple of different ways how we can perform this reset. So we've got a soft reset and a hard reset. So let's try with the soft reset first. So we need to press and hold the power button for 10 seconds and then release it. This action can resolve minor glitches without affecting stored energy. Observe the LED indicators if they flash or reset. The process was successful if they do. Alright, now a hard reset or a loopback method. So we need to use a USB cable to connect the power bank's input and outputs port together. For example, plug one end into the USB-A output port and then the other into the micro USB or USB-C import port. Keep the cable connected for about 15 to 20 seconds. Once the LED lights stop flashing or reset, disconnect the cable. This method is effective for models like the Anker PowerCore 20000 and others with similar port configurations. Now we only really want to reset if the charging devices, if it's not charging devices properly, or the power bank itself isn't charging. LED indicators are unresponsive or behaving erratically. The device is overheating during use or charging.